Is a metal roof worth the investment? Prepare to be surprised by the truth. Picture this. It's a scorching summer day and your asphalt shingle roof is absorbing heat like a sponge, helping your energy bills to skyrocket. But here's the surprising truth. Metal roofs are a game changer. Their reflective coatings and superior installation help keep your home cooler, saving you money on energy costs. It's an investment that pays off. So tell me, is a metal roof worth the investment? Let's talk about durability. You won't believe it. Metal roofs are built to withstand the toughest elements, including hurricanes, rain, wind, and even extreme temperatures. They outlast traditional asphalt shingle roofs by decades, meaning you'll have peace of mind and fewer costly repairs in the long run. It's an investment that pays off. It's an investment that stands the test of time. So tell me, is a metal roof worth the investment? Here's the real surprise. Metal roofs can even increase the value of your home. Buyers are drawn to their sleek appearance, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. So you'll enjoy the benefits while you're living there. But when it's time to sell, you'll see a return on your investment. It's a win-win. So is a metal roof worth the investment? Absolutely. It's an investment in your comfort, your savings, and the value of your home. Don't let outdated misconceptions hold you back. Upgrade to a Gator Metal roof today and experience it for yourself. Click the link below to schedule a free no-obligation estimate with Gator Metal Roofing. And if you think a Gator Metal roof is worth the investment, drop a Gator emoji in the comments.